Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this eye for you guys. I decided to do more of a halo, very smoky halo eye, and I like the way it turned out. So if you like the way this makeup looks and you want to see how I created it, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off this look by applying some base and some eyeshadow base. I'm taking my soft ochre from MAC. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of this on my eyelid. I'm going to be using the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Punk right here. And I'm going to take that with a small fluffy brush. Actually, no, I'm going to take a brush like this, something that's a little bit more precise and has more of a pointed tip, so it applies the product where I want it to. So I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners. Now with the same brush, I'm just gonna kind of clean off any excess and just kind of blend the edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna take another shade to blend out those edges. And the shade I'm taking is this one right here, Riff. This nice caramelly shade. It's like a nice soft brown, and I'm going to apply this on the edges. I'm going to take a black shade, so I'm taking this one here. This is in the shade Jet, and it's a nice black. So I'm going to take that with the same brush, and I'm just going to dip the tip. I'm going to intensify this outer corner. So I'm just patting it on there and blending it as I pat it in to make sure it's nice and blended in. So I'm going to take a little bit more and just kind of build it up to the darkness that I want. And as you can see, I'm just applying and blending at the same time. And I'm building up as I go, so if I feel like I need more, I take a little bit more and I keep building it up. Now I'm going to take another brush, and I want to take like a smaller blending brush as well, something that's soft. So this one's clean, it has no product in it, and I'm just going to help blend these edges. Now at this point is when you can go in and add a little bit more of the shadow. So I'm going to take the same brush I was using before. Now I'm going to go back into Riff. Okay, so I'm taking this brown shade again, just a little bit, and I'm going to apply that to the edge again because it kind of disappeared on me. I need more of that first shadow that I used, so I'm gonna go back into Punk, which is this one here, and I'm going to add more because I kind of lost it under the black, so I'm applying that a little bit higher up here just to make it transition into that red color. So just blending it softly as I apply it and building it up slowly, because you know, you want to take as little product as you can and then just build it up, because it's easier to add than it is to remove. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this lightest shade here, which is Weekender. So this one right here is really close to my skin tone. I'm taking a little bit on that brush and I'm just gonna apply this to like my brow bone. And since it's really close to my skin tone, it's pretty much just gonna blend any harsh edges that it's left behind, or any edges that I didn't really blend. So this is just gonna help with the blending process. I do want to bring it up a little bit more, so I'm gonna go back into Riff, and I'm applying that again to the edge here and bringing it down, and just kind of keep smoking it up until I'm satisfied on how high I want it, because I want to bring it up a little bit more closer to the brow bone but not too far up. So I'm just kind of intensifying it and bringing it up a little bit more. Okay, so now we have this nice clean area here in the middle. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some concealer. Actually, I'm gonna take the same primer, whatever was left in the brush, and I'm just going to apply whatever's left in the middle. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shadow, and then if we need to add more color, I will do that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this one from ColourPop. This is the Amaze Super Shock Shadow, and it's a nice rose gold shadow. So I'm just gonna take my finger and just bring that down my lid. I'm gonna go back in with my smaller brush, and I'm taking Punk, okay, and I'm applying that right here to blend the two shadows into each other. So I'm just going to take this tiny little brush. This one's from Luxie, and it's a small shader brush. And I'm going to go back into that eyeshadow, and I'm going to just intensify it more. I'm actually gonna go over that center portion with the eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette, and I'm taking Stranded, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna go on top of the eyeshadow that from ColourPop, just to give it more pigment, because I felt like the eyeshadow was nice, but I wanted to pop a little bit more and look more golden, and this one has more of that gold tone that I want, so now it's looking more like it. Okay, so now we want to make sure these two edges are nice and blended. Now I'm just going to go back in and just blend these edges. Okay, So now that we have this eye done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye, and then I'll come back so we can finish the rest of the face and just finish this eye look. Okay, so both eyes are done now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face. So for my face, I already have moisturizer on. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I'm in the shade 119. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this with my brush. Okay, so to finish off the eye look, I'm just gonna take the shades that I used, the two lightest shades, which are Riff and Pump from the palette, and I'm just gonna mix them both and just apply that to the lower lash line. Okay, so let's rewind a little bit. I'm actually gonna take some concealer and I'm just gonna apply that right in the center. You know, right where the top lid meets the bottom lid, because I wasn't supposed to apply eyeshadow right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now that I have that division right there, I'm gonna go ahead and take the eyeshadow, but I'm only keeping it to the outer portions. So I'm not gonna bring it all the way across. Mixing this one and a little bit of this one and this one, I'm just mixing a little bit of each, and I'm bringing it right underneath the other eyeshadow. Just like that. And now I'm gonna go back into Stranded. So I'm taking Stranded and I'm applying that right there. Just so it kind of goes all the way down. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Punk and smoke it out a bit more down here. Okay, now I'm gonna take a nude eyeliner and I'm going to apply that right in the center here. And that's just gonna kind of brighten up the eye more. And now I'm gonna take a brown eyeliner and I'm going to apply this to the rest of the waterline. Okay, so for my lips, I couldn't decide what color to do, but I think I'm gonna go with Max Twig, and I'm gonna be using this one from Bodyography. This is Heather Berry. So I think I'm gonna take a darker lip liner. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one from Rimmel. And this one is in the shade Coffee Bean. And I'm just gonna go a little bit on the edges. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some gloss. And I'm just gonna take this one from Victoria's Secret. And it's in the shade Sparkling. Okay, you guys, so this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, if you did, if you liked this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.